Hello, today we will guide you through how to rotate PDF file in Adobe Reader, how to rotate pages in a PDF. Rotating a page or an image inside a PDF is helpful when a scan comes in sideways or a photo was inserted at the wrong angle. In a few simple actions, you can get everything aligned so your document is easy to read and ready to share. Begin by opening Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Give the app a moment to load and make sure you're on the home screen or main workspace so your tools are available. Having the file you want to adjust nearby will make this quick. Next, open the PDF you want to work with. This could be a sample project or any document that needs a tweak. Once it's open, confirm you're looking at the correct page. If a page or an image is oriented incorrectly, you'll notice it right away when reading feels awkward or the content appears sideways or upside down. Now click on the item you want to rotate. If your PDF contains a picture that needs adjustment, click directly on that picture to select it. You should see a visible selection outline appear around it, indicating that it's active and ready for editing. If you're rotating a specific visual element, selecting it ensures you're only changing that one item rather than the entire view. With the image selected, look for a small circle at the center of the selection. This circle acts as the rotation control. Click on that center circle to activate the rotation handle. Seeing this control confirms you're adjusting orientation and not resizing or moving the image. While holding your mouse button down on the center circle, drag to rotate. Move slowly and watch how the content turns on screen. Rotate until the image looks upright and balanced. If you're aligning to common angles like 90 or 180 degrees, ease the cursor near those points for a precise result. Zooming in a little can help you judge edges and text lines more accurately. If you overshoot, simply drag back in the opposite direction to fine-tune the angle. And if something doesn't look right, you can always undo and try again. That's all there is to it. You opened Adobe Acrobat, opened your PDF, selected the item you wanted to fix, clicked the rotation control at the center, and dragged to rotate until everything looked correct. Take a moment to review the page to make sure the content is now comfortable to read. Repeat the same process for any other items that need adjustment, and you'll have a clean, properly oriented PDF in no time.